March Madness meaning in the United States, the NCAA Division I men's basketball tournament is known as March Madness. It is a single elimination tournament that determines the national champion of men's collegiate basketball in the United States. In addition to March Madness, the NCAA Division I women's basketball tournament is frequently referred to as March Madness, but the NCAA does not promote it in this manner. The men's tournament will feature a total of 67 games between 68 different teams. The main tournament bracket has a total of 64 teams in it. 4 teams must earn a position in the main bracket by winning one of 4 games, which are referred to as play-in games and together referred to as the first 4, in order to advance. There are 64 teams competing in the women's event. A single elimination tournament, meaning a team is eliminated after losing a game. The field of teams is reduced by half each round, from 64 in the first round to 32 in the second round, which is followed by rounds named after the number of teams left in each round, the Sweet 16, Elite 8, and Final 4. The national championship game will be played between the last 2 teams. March Madness is one of the most widely watched sporting events in the United States. It is particularly well known for its high-octane games, early round upsets, and underdog teams, known as Cinderellas, who triumph against the odds to advance far into the tournament. Even non-basketball fans enjoy the ritual of filling out a tournament bracket by guessing which team will win each game, which is why many of them participate. In order to discover who can fill out the most correct bracket, there are numerous official and informal tournaments, with many people making bets on the outcome in a betting pool with their friends or coworkers. The tournament is also referred to as the Big Dance in some circles, as in the winner of this game receives a ticket to the Big Dance. For example,